Hello guys, Techie Rider here. It's a it's an exciting day for a friend kasi we're saying goodbye to this. Isang kaibigan namin yung bibili nito. And the reason why we're getting let go of this Dominar is meron na kaming bago na KTM 390 Adventure. So, yung 790 sa akin yun. Tapos ito naman dun sa anak ko na ito na Pascal, 19 years old. So, he's a beginner. And dito siya natuto. Actually, natuto siya dun sa sa isang motor namin na nag-on yung mga ilaw. Na tawag din yung 200cc na dual sport. So, mataas siya. 850mm yung seat height. So, ito mababa lang. Kaya, yakang-yaka niya. And, nakuha namin tong motor na to less than 3 years ago. Kasi, magjuju pa yung registro nito sa July. Yan, 7 yung dulo. So, ano na siya? 2.5 years sa amin. So, ginamit ko siya siguro ng mga a little over a year, tapos most of it ginagamit ni Caleb, yung anak ko. And this has been a very good bike. So here in the Philippines, the brand is Kawasaki, pero this is of course owned by Bajaj India, and this is being assembled by Kawasaki Philippines, so it carries that badge there. So in here is known as Kawasaki Dominar 400. So this is the version 1, the first gen, and the year model is 2020, so we got this in 2021, I think. 2021. Model year 2020. But this is brand new, of course. And wala kami naging problema. Naging problema ko lang dati dito is yung nag-short circuit yung sa brake. Kaya ayaw umandar ng motor. And the reason for that is nagkaroon siya ng tubig dun sa may sheath niya, enclosure. Other than that, wala naman naging problema. And matipid. About 25 to 30 kilometers per liter. So around 250 kilometers kaya niya in a single full tank. I think more than pa nga kasi 25, diba? So this is 13 liters. Yeah. Maybe close to 300. Maybe 300 even more kung matipid ka. So yeah, the beauty about Dominar is marami siyang spare parts dito sa Philippines. Maraming mga gumagamit. I don't know how many thousands na meron ito. So kung may problema ka, marami ka mapagtanungan. Tapos mura rin yung spare parts. Like halimbawa itong side stand niya na napansin ko may baloktot na siya kasi mababa na yung masyadong siya naka-lean. And when I check, tinanggal ko, bent na. Ewan kung mapansin nyo. Bent na siya dyan. So this is only 550. Kasama na yung bolt tsaka spring. So mura lang, di ba? Yung oil niya, less than 2 liters. Yung mga filter niya, marami kang mabibilhan sa Shopee, sa Lazada, sa mga mga mekaniko natin, yung mga trade outlets. So, yeah. This has been a great blessing. This is my first big bike. And I'm letting it go sa isang kaibigan na magsisimula sa motor. He's into bicycle. Yung on-road na bike, not motor but bisikleta. And now he's transitioning into a motorcycle, and I actually convinced him na instead na mag 150cc siya, why not go to a Dominar? So almost the same price na naman. I'm selling this at 120,000. So nung binili ko to, yung list price niya nasa 175,000. So it's really a good deal for him. Yeah, and it has only clocked lang siya a little over 8,000 kilometers, 8,292. So, yeah, relatively new. Bihira namin siyang gamitin almost every weekend lang. Kaya pag may mga errands. So, humahaba lang yung mileage nito dahil minsan mag-drive kami ng anak ko or ako dati si mama niya. And yeah, dito rin ako natuto on paano mag-big bike. So, we got the KTM, was a bit scared, but now it's quite manageable. And of course, madali na lang i-drive tong 390. And interestingly, while this is a relatively taller bike, essentially like a bigger bike than this one is actually heavier. Yeah. I think this one wet is about 182, 185 kilograms. Pinagdag mo pa yun, mga almost 200 kilos na siya. Pero ito, I think this is less than by, I think maybe 12 kilos. So yeah, this is even a lighter bike. So yeah, so this will be Caleb's bike, that will be mine, and yung friend namin, bibili niya to. Yeah, so goodbye, and thank you for the service for the last 2.5 years, the skill na nakuha namin. Yeah, may mga kunting gas-gas, may mga kunting crack dito, halimbawa dyan. I think that's normal, may ginagamit. But the more important thing is yung makina, yung motor, overall is okay. Yeah. Naging isa ko rin dati dito is yung ano niya, yung nag-stuck na brake, and yung problema is yung master cylinder dito, which pinalitan ko na siya. I think, ano na to, is sa Suzuki Sniper yata yung brake niya, which is kasya naman. Adapt. Yeah, so, yeah. So we're gonna say goodbye in a few moments. Kukunin na to ni Sedi.
Okay.
Ito na po yung bagong owner. Congrats, Sedi.
Thank you, Sir Al. Thank you.
Ayan. Siya na po yung bagong owner ng Dominar. So, yan. Congrats.
Salamat po.